Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Solana network to MetaMask Wallet. So let's start the video. First, open Google and go to the top right corner. Open the MetaMask extension. Make sure the MetaMask extension is added to your Chrome browser, then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now click on the expand view option. Go to the top right corner again and click on the three dots. Scroll down and click on the Snaps option. At the bottom, click on Discover Snaps. Go to the search bar and search for Solana Wallet. Select it, then click on Add to MetaMask. Click Accept, then click Confirm. Check the box and click Confirm again. Now go to the middle of the screen and click on the website link. Click Get Started. Click Continue. Click again, then click again. Click Connect MetaMask, then also click Connect in MetaMask. Click Continue, then click Continue again. Click Enter Solana, then click Next. Click Continue. Now go back to MetaMask. Here you'll see that the Solana wallet has been added under Snaps. Next, open Radium. Go to the top right corner and click on Connect Wallet. Select MetaMask from the drop-down. Click Continue, then click Connect. Again, click Connect in MetaMask, and you're done.